Welcome sa part 10 ng ating review series, no? So this will be again the last part for the set 1 of our reviewer. So 46 tayo. If f of x is equal to 3x plus 4, what is h of 2x minus 3? So again, if you happen to see this kind of problem, ang gawin mo lang, lahat ng x, no? Palitan mo nito, 2x minus 3. So mangyayari, meron kang h of 2x minus 3. This is equal again to 3 and then 2x minus 3 plus 4. And then, simplify mo lang. This is 6x minus 9 plus 4. So this gives you 6x minus 5. That is what letter? Letter B in our choices. All right, so again, that's letter B in our choices. Let's do number 47. This is the last number, actually. So if A equals negative, if a negative 1 is less than A less than B, and B less than 0, then which of the following has the greatest value? So yung ating A daw is greater than negative 1. So always remember, pag meron kang number line, okay, number line, ito yung 0 mo, the farther you go from 0, no, to the left, the smaller the number becomes. So ito yung negative 1 mo, for example, lahat ng numbers towards 0 is greater than negative 1. So let lang tayo, no? So yung A natin, let's say negative 0.5 lang siguro para mas madali i-multiply. And then yung B natin will be negative 0.1. Okay? That's 0.10. So B minus A. So yung B minus A natin, ano yung B nga? Negative 1, negative 0.01 minus negative 0.5, that is plus, no? So this is plus 0.5. This gives me 0.4, a positive 1. Ito naman, A plus B. So yung A natin, again, when we add two negative numbers, no, meron lang tayo, yung B ha, again, yung A is 0.4, yung B will become negative 0.60, right? Yung C naman natin will be A minus B. Again, A minus B tayo. So, ang A natin is negative 0.5 minus B or plus, yung B natin is 0.1. This gives you negative 0.4. So, this is negative 0.4. Tapos, yung C natin, yung D, I mean, 2B. So, 2 times, ano yung B natin again? Is negative 0.1, right? Tapos, minus A. Yung A natin is plus 0.5. This gives me what? 20.20 negative yan plus 0.5. This gives me that's negative. So this gives me 0.3 positive 0.3. So asan yung mas malaki? Letter A. So letter A will be our answer. Follow for more.